Don't react. Remember one principle. In this world, it is not possible for anyone to have zero likes and dislikes because the old habits. But what is in our hand is these likes and dislikes should not influence our quality of life. So when you dislike something, if it comes, accept it gracefully, cheerfully, and pray to the Lord, oh Lord, please don't send it again, okay? This time I am accepting. Idea is, mind is at peace under all conditions. Mind should not be allowed to be influenced by this reactionary habit of the mind. See, like these signs on the roads, the radium signs, radium paint, that by itself has no light. But when a light falls on that, it becomes conspicuous. So it is a borrowed light. In the same manner, our pure light, pure consciousness is having no biasness. But this radium, when it falls on our these impressions or the vasanas, then it becomes conspicuous. So don't allow it to overpower us. Nirdagdha vasana bijaha satta samanya rupavan sadeho va videho va na bhujo dukkha bhag bhave. So whether things are according to choice or no choice, he is never miserable thereafter. Therefore, the real spiritual practice is only be happy through wisdom. Only opening a laughing club and joining a laughing club is not spiritual practice. See, friends, you are still living at a body level. Ha 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 ha, you feel relaxed, and then, really, that is, no, it is just a KG1, KG2. There you have learned only how to relax. See, but that is not the end of it. Now, as we do not condemn the KG1, KG2, KG3 students, in the same manner, all these things are okay in their own place. Laughing club is okay, exercise is okay, yoga is okay, bhajan kirtan is okay, everything, Gurudev, Ganga, Sagar, Gavanam, everything is fine. But remember, these are the means, this is not the end. See? But what happens? We get entangled in that. And that becomes the only purpose of our life. See, friends. Therefore, Atma Drushti, Adrushtesha, Samsara Brahmadayini, Drishta Sati, Samagranam, Dukkhanam, Kshayakarini. Atma Drushti, Adrushta Esha, Samsara Brahmadayini. Samsara Brahmadayini, Atma Drushti. See? When we are not able to recognize our understanding about ourselves, what exactly we are, Atma Drushti Adrushta Esha. If we are not understood what exactly we are, whether I am somebody in relationship, or I am possessor of the things, or I am the body, or I am a successful or a failure person, or I am a jiva, or I am the divine. Atma Drushti Adrushta Esha. But if we do not know Adrushta, our understanding about our essential nature, then Samsara Brahmadayini, it will definitely lead us to all the miseries of the relative changing world. Because we have not understood exactly what we are. So Atma Drushti Adrushta Esha Samsara Brahmadayini, then Drushta Sati. And when we have come to recognize our divine nature, see? And what is the divine nature? Satta Samanya. Non-specific, undifferentiated, conscious existence is our essential nature. Drishta Sati, So we first of all drop the objects, we then drop the relations, then we drop the body identification, then we drop the notion of a jiva, and then we come to know that the common substratum supporting all of them, yet not getting influenced by any one of them. Like the mirage waters cannot influence the sun rays or the ground where it is appearing. In the same manner, when we look upon this world as the mirage waters, so we will be seeing the world, but we will not come under the influence of the world. This is what is mentioned here. Drishta sati samagranam dukkhanam kshayakarini. With this proper understanding, Brahma satyam jagan mithya jivo brahmaiva naparaha. With this understanding, when one starts leading, there will be life at a zero desire level. See? And when there are no desires, your desire-free existence is a common substratum. See, friends, the world has no desires, Paramatma has no desires, we as a body has no desire, but it is the jiva, the notion that I am infinite, I am finite, I am incomplete, and therefore the desires come. So when we are able to thus get out of this wrong notion, then dukkhanam kshayakarini. Therefore, the real spiritual practice is this, Maharaj. Understand this and be happy.